Hello everyone and welcome to or back to the Thread Life. In today's video we'll be getting into this low effort, no leave out U-part install. First of all, the hair provided today is from Domiso hair. They sent me over their 20-inch Afro Kinky curly unit as well as a HD wig cap and some lashes. Once again, this is the Afro curly unit and this is the cap construction. It comes with one long comb in the back, two clips on the side where your V-part goes, as well as an adjustable band that can also be removed. Now I will say this was my first time seeing a V-part wig that was constructed this way. The wiring of the V was very structured, very wired, and this is how the hair looked before I co-washed it as well as after co-washing it with Love Letter Silk Me. Let's go ahead and put this unit on. I went ahead and did my edges ahead of time so they could be nice, laid, and ready to go, and then I'm just gonna slap that wig on. You want to make sure that you apply the wig underneath your two anchor braids. The braid down that I did was very simple, very straight to the point, but I did add braiding hair to my anchor braids so that it wasn't too much tension on my natural hair. But again, it's very imperative that you place this unit as close to your anchor braids but underneath the braids as possible. So you'll see I adjusted mine a few times, but once you get it to where you're going, then you grab your crochet hook and you insert it going outward towards the unit, and from there you just want to grab small pieces of the unit hair and pull it through your anchor braid to the opposite side. I found it easiest to keep all of the hair toward the middle until I was done, but you just repeat this process all the way until the braid is covered. And I also found that it was best to do smaller pieces rather than bigger ones so that they don't get stuck and the hair does not tangle as you're pulling it through. And again, you're just going to complete this process all the way until your braids are done, and you want to make sure that you get as close to your edges as possible so that it gives that natural seamless finish. And once you find your rhythm in the motion, it's just a matter of completing the repetition until the braid is completely covered. And one thing I love about this method is that it will show you what you need to go back and do. You can see here that it was a few gaps where I needed to go back and pull through some more hair in order to make sure that my part was full and covered. And again, the pattern doesn't lie, so it will show you. I also do want to note that I originally thought that I should have done my braids smaller because you want to get them very small and close together, but you also want to find that balance so that you're not putting too much tension on these small pieces of your natural hair with this whole wig hanging onto it. Once you get done with the first side, you want to clip it down so that the part can lay in the direction that you need it to, and then we're going to move on to the second side. It's already looking good. Y'all saw the happy dance. None of my ambidextrous girlies will feel me on this, but if you're going to the opposite side of your dominant side, it is a struggle getting into the rhythm of pulling this hair through, but once you figure it out, you'll get it done. Once we get that second part clipped up, the hardest work is over. I like to add a little hairspray into my part just to get it molded a little more, and then we're going to go into shaping the hair. I will say this hair was very low porosity. That's neither good or bad, but it did take some time to get soaked with product. And then I go in with my mousse and my dimming brush just to define the curls, and you're going to see here that I did some finger coils, and just look at the juicy curls that were formed from these finger coils. Like, are you kidding me? This hair was so soft, so nice. The construction of the unit is top tier. With me being a straight natural now, it honestly gave me my natural hair on its ideal best wash day. I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side to get that definition. Y'all see it. Now to give it more shape, I'm going to go in and frame my face with some face framing layers and then repeat the layers all around the hair. It was at this very moment that I got too scissor happy and did not account for the fact that this hair was wet and had to dry. And I definitely cut my bang piece a little too short, but it's fine. We're going to take those clips out and then I'm going to tease it at the root just to conceal that part even more and make it look more natural. I tried to see what it would give as a flip over, but baby, we don't have no leave out, so we gave straight, girl, it's a wig. Let's keep it cute. Now I'm gonna go in with my diffuser. And again, I'm just being honest. Diffusing has never really been my strong suit. So I had to depend mostly on air drying, but it did dry some with the diffuser and it definitely gave more volume. I don't know who came up with this U-part technique of crocheting the hair through, but whoever you are, I just want to say thank you for the girls that cannot blend their hair with curly hair, but they just want that curly look. Because do y'all see the material? I love this method. I will definitely be trying it again with different wigs, different textures, all the things. I did a quick updo just to see how that would look, and it was super cute. All of the hair information for Domiso will be listed in the description box, but y'all have to try out this method and let me know how it works out for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the things, and let me know what you thought about this video. I'll see y'all soon.